This video takes us to the invoicing page where we can generate customer invoice PDFs that can be downloaded, emailed to a recipient, or submitted to a factoring company. Please note that accounting users and admin users can access the invoicing page, and your company's internal processes should determine whose responsibility it is to work within this page. We can access the invoicing page by selecting the Accounting and Invoicing menu at the left of our screen. Within the invoicing page, we'll find loads can be located under two different sections, which indicate whether a customer invoice for load is pending to be automatically generated at a specified date and time, or the invoice must be manually generated by a user pressing the paper airplane icon. After an invoice PDF is generated, it will appear in the Customer Invoices Created section where a user can preview the invoice to then regenerate a new invoice in the case an error was found, submit an invoice to a factoring company if a factoring company integration is connected, email the invoice to a recipient, or mark the invoice as sent to a recipient via an external method. If we choose to email the invoice, we have the ability to preview and change the sender address and preview or change the email body before sending. The recipient will receive the email that includes information regarding the load, the invoice PDF, as we can see here, and a dedicated link to an internal invoice summary page that displays more information about the invoice. After an invoice has been submitted from the system, it will display in the Invoice Batches Sent section for historical reference. You can find more information by viewing the customer invoice tutorial within our knowledge base.